Hi Crab Cakes, I'm Emil Hinault, and as you can see, little buddy's back. Good to have you back, little buddy. This is the Big Crab Cake channel, the channel dedicated to model cars, trains, and villages as one unified hobby. We've got a box to open today, so let's get to it. Here it is. What do you think, little buddy? It's biggie. This is the Daily Planet by Department 56. This is a nice tall building. It's going to go with some other tall buildings we have in the city section of our layout. Packed inside is Superman. Remember, the Daily Planet is where Clark Kent worked as a cub reporter. Clark Kent, of course, being the alter ego of Superman. And with Superman on top, flies in circles. I know that a lot of people, when this first came out, liked the idea of the tall building, but not everyone was excited about having Superman flying around their layout. If you're into Marvel Comics, you might love the idea. If you're not so much, you might not. And really, the building is beautiful. It's nicely done. It's well lit. The details are great. It'll fit in fantastic with our other tall buildings. And he's leaping it in a single bound. But not everybody wanted that. And I think that the good thing about this building so far that I can see is that you could use it without the Superman. I was one of those that probably was not interested in having Superman flying around my layout, but after seeing this, I kind of like it. I think I might have it in my layout as Superman. But if not, you could easily take this off. It doesn't, the motor or whatever's making the spin doesn't make a loud sound. You never know the difference. And I think it's just a nice building on its own. And if you do like Marvel Comics and the Superman series, then this is fantastic. One other option you could have is, I think that this really lends itself to modification too. So the Superman is on the end of this wire. It's just a basic piece of hooked wire, and it's glued on. You could easily get that off with some glue dissolver from your local hobby store. That would take it off without removing the paint or ruining the Superman. And you could put anything else light on there that you wanted to fly around the top of this. Maybe a small little plane, maybe a small lightweight Santa and a sleigh could go spinning around this as well. So I think the options are pretty good. You know, even at other times of the year for Halloween layout, you could have a witch on a broom flying around, or some of the things like that. So, you know, if you don't like the Superman but you like the building, you can use this just as the building, or you can modify this and have really almost anything flying around the top of it as far as your imagination will take it. We're going to see this in our layout later in the year as we put that together. I believe Superman will be flying in our layout. I don't think I'm going to modify this. Not sure I would have said that before seeing this in person, but I like the way this looks, and I think I'm going to leave it just the way it is. I think Department 56 did a very nice job with this and keeping it true representation of the action comic series. So well done to them, and I recommend this building to anyone who might be interested. What do you think, little buddy? I think little buddy likes it too. If there are other features or things you'd like us to talk about, please leave comments in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more videos like it, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll know when we have new content. We have plenty of things planned coming up, and you're not going to want to miss it. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time on the Big Crab Cake channel. Good to have you back.